Good morning, everyone. We're back with day 2 of touring Tobago with Island Grill Tours. If you missed the first video where we went to Crusoe's Cave as well as Topaz Beach, which was this amazing hidden beach, check it out from last week. But now, let's go meet our tour guide, who I believe is outside waiting on me now. And there they are. Good morning. Oh my god, and I broke my leg. There we go. Good morning, car.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing? Did I make you all get up too early?
Never.
Never.
You just make us get up too early without food.
No food?
No food.
David, don't you have a David for that?
Yeah, but the David was on shutdown this morning.
Oh dear, oh dear. David, that's bad, David. Where are we going today, sir?
Alright, so we're gonna go up the Windward Main Road or the Atlantic Road and stop off in Roxborough to see Lamy waterfall.
Okay.
Yeah. And then from there head to Argyle, then head into the Mainridge Forest for lunch.
Okay.
And then see how it goes after that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, I am definitely excited. You all will get your food at some point in time. No phones while we're on vlogging, please. So we just here for a quick double stop at Ravi's Doubles here in Tobago. My boy here say this is his favorite doubles in the whole country. He's from South, so you know doubles.
No.
A bit of a joke, a bit of a joke. Anna and Chris eating some doubles. Chris have the, hear me Chris. Jason has the doubles and Anna has a pie, so give me a review, take a bite. This is a South man, how it is in compared to South?
It's good, like about 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how about you, how's your pie, man?
This is where the statement comes in, mine is better than yours.
Yeah.
It's a good 9.
Is a good 9? What?
It's good, it's good.
It's good?
This is the best doubles in Tobago.
Tobago so far.
Alright. So Ravi's doubles is arguably the best doubles in Tobago. I have not tried any, so I can't back up that. But, you know, so they say. David, best doubles in Tobago, thank you very much.
I don't know. I seldom eat doubles. Yeah, alright.
So I've been given a gift only on my second morning here, so clearly I made a fantastic impact with everybody. This is from my friend Anna over here, still eating her pie. So we're gonna unwrap it. I have no idea what it is, but it weighs about 6 or 7 pounds. Oh Lord, wow. Look at that. I thought I got away from Steph, but yet here we are. This is really beautiful. So you hand painted this yourself?
I did, and now you guys are written in stone, so it's all good for life.
Wow. My marriage is written in stone. Check it out. So Alan and Steph, Island Grill Tours Tobago 2022. That's very cool. I really like that. And Stephanie, I know you're going to enjoy this when I bring it home, but for now, you know, keep the house looking good. I'm coming home just now. Thank you very much, guys. That's real cool. I like this.
And you want to do this? I'd like to present you with a gift. This is my first novel in a series, Volume 1, and hope you enjoy it. And you know, it's all about Trinidad and Tobago and our legends and sci-fi, fantasy, history, everything.
So David here wrote this book based on our local folklore and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So you can pick up this as well.
In all the bookstores
All
in
the
Trinidad
bookstores
and
in Trinidad.
Yeah.
Really fantastic, and people really taking Trinidad culture and doing something really good with it. So I have to learn to read, but I will, and then I will come and take in this book. Thank you very much, brother. I feel like it's Christmas morning already. I don't need to go back to that. That's real cool, buddy.
Thank you.
Keep pouring in December.
Thank
That's
you.
it.
Taking a bit of a back road now. David apparently has never tried before. Never? No?
So, no idea.
No idea. Well, at bare minimum, the views are absolutely beautiful. partner there filming. Right, so David, we are trying to find Lamy waterfall, that's correct?
Yeah, through a back way.
Through a back way, and we've come somewhere that you're not entirely sure. This is not Lamy waterfall,
No,
apparently.
no, but we're gonna find something.
We're gonna find something. Some of the locals here told us that there is a waterfall here, and they said it's worth checking out anyway, so we're finding something new.
Yeah.
Let's go and see it.
Check it out.
So in Tobago, even a slight wrong turn could bring you to something beautiful. Check it out. This is not the waterfall that we are intending to go to just yet, and we'll probably move on to that afterwards, but just randomly here up on this road. Check. So guys, we find a nice random little pool there.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
nice.
Wow.
And the official bushman already in there.
Bushman. David. So, here we are at a small but beautiful little waterfall and pool. We don't even know the name of it, so I guess we had to give it a name. What do you feel the name is?
Bush boy.
Bush Boy Waterfall? Bush Boy Waterfall, David, you cool with that?
What's that? Oh yeah.
Bush Boy Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Yes. Wow, well, that's a nice little find, man.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's up. Good morning. We're trying to find Lamy waterfall. Do you all know anything? You all are not very friendly. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your help. Thank you for nothing.
So we're going to Lamy Nature Park. It's not very well known or visited, but it's absolutely gorgeous.
It looks absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
We're here at Lamy Nature Park, which is where we actually tried to get to first when we found that little hidden waterfall. There's the sign here. So apparently this is really beautiful but often overlooked in Tobago. So I'm gonna have my first look ever. David hydrating, men ready, ladies ready.
In a year.
This place is already absolutely beautiful. There's two waterfalls as he said, and we're crossing the river now to get it. But look at that. And we get nice sunny weather. So there's one up there, you can see in the distance. And then up in the back there, which we'll check just now, another one. Guys, I can't stress enough how absolutely beautiful this place is. Like that little waterfall we just saw there was really nice and cool, but this one we're coming up to, man, wow. Wow.
Bring up.
Not to the top. Not big on heights and climbing. That is absolutely beautiful, and a beautiful pool for swimming as well.
Let's go. Let's get on.
Take it off. Woo! Yeah, wow, look at that man.
Come hold my hand.
Woo. This water is just splendiferous is the word that comes to mind. It is so mountain fresh and cool and soothing.
Right guys, so this was the beautiful Lamy Falls. Excellent, excellent. I mean, I'm blown away. So you know, when you're hitting up David for your tours, be like, I want to go to Lamy Falls. But we're moving on now to Argyle Falls, which is arguably the most popular falls in all of Tobago. And of course, I have never been. So it's going to be a new experience for me, and we're going to see what Tobago's top attraction has to offer very shortly. Let's go and check it out. local animals.
I knew you wanted to eat. Yeah. Oh, you're a camera girl.
Hello. Hey. So we just parked in the front, which is the car park for Argyle Falls. So you can already clearly see, compared to some of the other waterfalls, that it's set up for tourists. There's a bar, there's an area to pass through. It's a little more built up, but that's because this is the most popular waterfall in all of Tobago by far.
Lots are growing here too. You have the pigeon peas, the sorrel, lots of citrus, bananas, sugar cane.
Okay.
And Roxborough is traditionally known in Tobago for cocoa. So we'll be walking through a lot of cocoa.
So again, this walk is really beautiful, very maintained because of its popularity, but still a lot of nature, a lot of greenery and stuff, which is exactly what you want to see. So I'm very excited to see Argyle for the first time, and I'm definitely getting wet this run. Not really full, not too many wishes, but still pretty cool to see. And of course, although we try not to bring any garbage, there is proper ways to dispose of any water bottles or trash that you may have. I don't want to tell all you, keep these places super clean. You know, come now, keep it clean. Trinidad too, but we're in Tobago now. Tobago must be kept pristine. So we're here at Argyle, and there's 3 tiers to this waterfall. All are accessible.
Well, there are more tiers. These are the 3 ones we can see.
Okay, so there's even more.
Yeah.
And these 3 that are in sight are accessible via going around the side or something of that nature.
Well, this is the first, right? And then the second and third, and you can go through the side. There's a nice trail. It's where there's a rope. You know, it's well kept, and you can go to the second and third.
Okay. So what we are going to do is we're going to walk and take a look at the second, and then come back down to the first, which has the deepest pool.
Yeah.
And it also has a little bit of area to rest the bags, which I'm going to attempt to launch the drone. So we'll go and see the second and then spend our time by the first. So David will lead the way.
Perfect. Yeah.
So just so you can see properly, falls 2, right there, falls 3, and then all the way down to pool number 1. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Oh, sorry, I'm in your way. Let me move. Woo. Very refreshing after all that hiking. And look at my partner. Hey! Hey!
Look at that!
Just like that in a vlog.
Yes! Wow!
Oh, enjoying yourself.
Great.
Woo.
And I watch every last one of your videos.
I really appreciate that. That's real nice, eh?
Yeah.
I never come up in the Argyle before.
First time for us too.
It's real nice.
Fun.
Yeah, so I appreciate that big time.
Your video on all the different places to eat in Tobago, like shortings and all that stuff. I was watching that, and the last time I came to Tobago, I hit every last one of them up.
Amazing. When I'm actually here now with this gentleman up there, he's a very versed tour guide, so he showed me all kind of thing I never seen in Tobago, and I'm documenting it.
Well, that's good.
Very nice.
Yes.
You usually have somebody called Jono with you,
Yeah,
right?
John is my boy.
What do you might be?
Wife home, John home, it's just me. Right guys, so after all that action at Argyle Waterfalls, we've worked up a hell of an appetite. And this is Shurlands Nature Park.
Hummingbird Heaven.
Hummingbird Heaven. It's a long name, but it's a really special place that deserves that long name, because this property owned by the lovely Shurland, who you see just now, is filled with like possibilities. There's waterfalls, there's different things here.
Beautiful nature trails.
Beautiful nature trail. But what we're here for is to have a delicious lunch and eat with the hummingbirds.
Yes.
So in addition to really great food, there's also amazing homemade juices that she brings. David, what kind of juice do you have in there?
I taste lemon, passion fruit, a little bit of ginger.
A little bit of ginger.
Yeah.
Lime.
Right.
Miss Shurland,
Yes.
how are you doing, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you.
Come on this side here, because let me get some better light. You know how excited I am to come and eat this food?
Yes, it's really good food today. It's our traditional local food.
Yes.
You know, stew fish and stew chicken with some dumpling, nice dasheen, sweet potato, ripe plantains. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
And David's starving me whole day, so I'm extra hungry.
Yeah, well, you get it right here at Shurlands Nature Park. Better be a main road, Tobago.
Oh God, you know it's
Island Girls Tours is the one who always take you here.
Yeah, always.
Fantastic.
The best lunch ever.
I've been here once before, as you know, and
yes.
so I don't know it good.
It's
so I
good.
just ready again.
Blessing.
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 Oh, this is so good, Shane.
Ooh, very refreshing. Nice.
Right guys, so it's lunchtime and we have some provisions: sweet potato, dasheen, green fig,
Boiled bananas,
dumpling,
some
cuckoo,
cuckoo, some traditional Shurland special stew chicken here,
stew
some
chicken,
callaloo, some stew fish.
stew fish, and some
Right.
stew lion.
Yeah, lioness.
And we're gonna dig in.
Yep.
This is the eating vibe here. A fresh juice,
Some blue food.
some blue food. So as you can see, I have a nice mixed down plate, and I have these views with all the hummingbirds and the ocean in the background. You can't ask for much more than that. So Shurland, I just had yet another amazing meal, but you know it's never end with you. So we have some ice cream coming here now. And sample
Yes.
this. You're so good at what you do. I love it. I really love it. My belly full.
Wonderful.
Look at the man coming in the background
Everything
there.
made with love.
Everything made with
Yes.
love.
All
Even
the
some
time.
homemade ice cream.
Yes.
Big up to you, right? You're doing amazing
Thank
things.
you
Amazing
so
things.
much.
So everyone, that brings another truly amazing day in Tobago to an end. I have my delicious ice cream, homemade ice cream from Shurland that I'm about to eat. Check out the last vlog that we did before and look forward to many in the future. Big up to Island Girl Tours and all the people involved. You can find all the links and all the information in the description below this video. Cheers guys. Have a fantastic week. Bless up. Three, two, one, whenever.